All right, inside this envelope is the winner for our S2000 plus $20,000. You guys ready?
All right, no, let's get it.
Here we go. And the winner out of Bloomington, California.
Okay, local?
Okay,
Not local, but
he bought a tuxedo truck bed cover for his Ford Ranger. Okay, his name is Rene Nemesio. Let's
Rene, let's do it.
Hello? Hey, is this Rene?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man? This is Evan Beckerman from throtl.
Okay.
You placed an order maybe 2 months ago for a truck bed liner from throtl?
Yeah, for my Ranger, yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to let you know that you're the winner of an S2000 plus $20,000. You are?
Yeah!
Congratulations. I'm here with the team right now. We're recording this call so you can hear it.
I never won anything, man.
Well, there you go.
There you go.
That's awesome.
Congratulations. Yeah, we wanted to call and let you know your purchase of the truck bed liner got you the automatic entries to win, and now you're the winner. And we're down here in San Diego. I realize you're not too far from us either. Do you ever watch any of the YouTube videos that we've published?
Yeah, I've seen the Ranger one. And
Okay.
I've seen like the Eclipse. You know.
Nice.
Oh, cool. Well, that's awesome. That's great.
Well, now you got an S2000 too. We'll get it coordinated, and within the next couple weeks, we'll have you come down here and pick up your new car and a check.
Wow, that's I don't know, that's kind of, I don't even know what to say, man.
It's all right. It won't feel real until it's in your garage, I think.
Okay.
Congratulations. Can't wait to meet you, and we'll talk soon.
All right, thank you.
All right. Thanks,
buddy.
Renee. Take it
Bye,
easy.
Rene.
Bye.
All right.
Awesome.
Hey, that's
great.
awesome.
That's good.
That's
great.
very cool. So congrats to Renee. Thank you guys so much for everyone who participated. I'm just excited to meet him. He's gonna love this car. This is amazing. Now it's time to kick off our next sweepstakes. We're doing it big. We're doing 2X entries until Sunday. Roll the clips.
All right, so now that the S2000 is gonna be gone. I know Becky, he got a new car and he's on his way here right now. Do you know what it is?
Ooh, no, but I remember back in January when we were talking about cars we were gonna be doing this year, Mickey and Evan both were talking about Broncos.
I have 2 ideas. I'm thinking 2 different cars and none of them are Broncos. Should I say it? Should I say it?
Yeah, what do you think it is?
One is the new WRX. I just don't know if we will buy a brand new car to give away. I don't know, because it's really hard to find parts.
We have before. I think that would be interesting, but I'm not like super in on that, the new WRX. I think it'd be cool. They kind of look funky though, man, if I'm honest.
No, but that's what we do.
Then again,
we grab the funky thing and then we make it freaking sick.
I haven't
know we
seen
can.
like any of the aftermarket that's been coming out for those, so I don't know.
Yeah, I haven't seen much either. And then the other one is like, what's that Subaru that just came out? The BRZ or FRS?
That could be cool. A new one? I'm kind of in on that.
Those are the only 2 that I'm like thinking that I'd
So
be.
you immediately went to Subaru for both.
Yo, can I put my guess in?
Yeah.
I think it's a GR Corolla.
GR Corolla would be sick. I've been saying we should do a GR Corolla for like the last 3 cars.
I will say yes, but they're so hard to find. I don't know.
Yeah, that's a fair point.
What about a 400Z?
400Z would be cool.
Yeah,
400Z would
that
be
you can
really
find.
cool.
Honestly,
So
I might change-
that's
change
more
my guess.
likely than a GR. Actually, all the options that we've said so far, I'm super down for.
Bronco would be cool, but it's just a big truck. That's the only thing.
It's really not our style. We've done quite a few of them. But
We've done a few. He just texted us. He's right around the corner. He's gonna be showing up, and I hope it's not a Santa Cruz. Ricky's been talking about
Hey, I
those.
want a Santa Cruz, bro.
They're weird. They look so weird.
They're so sick.
It's the new Prius. How would you feel about that?
I would actually be really stoked.
No, that's not it.
That is.
Oh yeah! Let's go, baby! Hey, all right! Wow! Damn, bro, who's your man, dog?
You're right.
Yeah, I was right for the first time.
Don't mind it being a little dirty, but
Just dusted, not
It's
bad.
fine.
Not bad at
The
all.
sparkle is crazy.
I know the paint's
Holy
really cool.
crap.
Black
Basically,
car. Oh, it looks beautiful.
Black on black. The interior is so much nicer
Okay.
than the older BRZs. All the suede, Alcantara, the red stitching, it's really nice.
Bro, you know what's crazy? For a quick second, I thought this was like oil temp and water temp gauges.
Did someone make it?
Oh,
Hey, look,
dang.
I was like, oh, it's got gauges. It's the AC temp. This is really sick. Those are not the actual mileage, right?
So it's 2,000 miles.
3,000.
3,000 miles, yeah.
That's probably the lowest mileage car we've ever had.
So I put it on track mode. If you hold that button, the cluster changes completely. Right there.
This
Yeah,
one?
hold it.
Oh,
There, see
snap.
that? It's
Wow.
pretty cool.
Damn. Hold on, let me see if I can put it back.
I like that one.
That's sick.
I like the last one.
Yeah, I think that is the track mode.
That's different. That's cool.
Track mode.
Oh, yeah,
and
that is
then
track.
the regular gauge is like the regular one. That's
But
crazy.
comparing this to the older BRZ, the interior is so much
way
nicer.
better.
Oh, it has an STI shift knob. That's factory though, I think, right? Does that say STI?
Yeah, it does.
I don't.
No, what does that say? Does it say BRZ? What is it?
No, it says STI.
I know.
Oh, it does. Yeah.
I think somebody must have upgraded it. There's no way it comes like that. Do they? Pop the hood?
You popped the trunk.
Wrong hood.
2JZ.
Turbo. Wow. That's
I almost dropped the hood.
What are we gonna do in here, Becky? What do you got planned?
You gotta subscribe. You gotta wait to see. This thing's gonna transform though. I'm really excited. It's a great platform to start with. It's really fun to drive. Transmission's awesome. It actually makes quite a bit of power. Way more than some of the WRXs that I've driven and the old BRZ. Like way more refined than that. So you gotta drive it.
I heard the torque is much better on this than the other one. It's fun. The first. How you get?
Go ahead, you got it.
Is it first generation now? Is that what we're calling them? The first gen?
yeah.
This is the second. The first generation BRZs drove exactly like the 2004 Celicas. Like exactly this is. It felt like the same car. So I'm curious to see how this one drives and how it feels.
Just everything's better. Like the headlights are cooler. The body looks way slicker. Brakes feel good. Maybe you need a little upgrade in that department. Wheels and tires definitely got to go. The ride height's got to go. That's for sure.
I mean, for stock wheels though, these are actually kind of nice.
Okay.
Oh, it's got a livery?
It's got a livery.
Yeah, dude.
That's factory, I'm assuming. I don't know. And then look at these little exhausts. We definitely got to change the exhaust out on this thing. Oh my God. Wow. Yeah, we need to change that out ASAP. We drive it or mod it?
I want to drive it.
Can you drive it?
Yeah.
Drive it first.
How sick are the back seats? Can I fit back there?
No chance.
Pop in, you want to give him the
You can take your phone with you though.
Oh, dude, there's no way.
Hop in there, Quinn.
No way.
Quinn, hop in there.
Hop in,
No
dude.
way I'm
Hop
going.
in there.
Dude,
You got
look at that leg
it. Slide
room.
the seat forward. You
Look
got
at
it.
it when the seat goes back.
You got it. No. Get back there. Get back there. You
dude.
got it.
No shot. No
You can
shot.
fit.
I'm gonna take my shoes off.
You're only like 5'3".
Am I coming in? I'm popping in?
Holy crap, dude.
Not behind me.
Well, how am I
That's
gonna
what you
fit?
get. That's what you get.
I can't fit in there. All right, this is maybe not the best family
All right,
mobile.
Becky, you got it.
No way, dude.
Oh my God, can you imagine this on a road trip?
Like Ricky.
Maiden voyage. We got Quinn in the back. 6'1" in the back seat.
like
I'm
traveling
6 feet in the front. So you could do it. I don't know if I'd want to drive to Vegas. Like
I'm the
that.
shortest one. I'm the one
Yes.
driving. Sick.
This thing is literally brand new, though.
It's
dude. That's crazy.
it doesn't look like the back seat's ever been sat in or
It's
anything.
great already.
No, it's really fun. So I drove this home over the weekend. So this BRZ is a 2022 BRZ, 3,000 miles, 6-speed manual. It's a BRZ Limited. It's got a really nice metallic black exterior, and then inside, which I think is really cool, is the. Will you turn on my heated seats right now? I'm roasting. It's cool that it has
He was
it.
looking at the AC, make sure
Yeah.
it was on. I'm like, oh yeah, he's feeling
Yeah,
it.
I'm toasting right now. Whoa! Okay.
What's up, Brad?
Okay.
That was red line.
Oh, that's cool.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds great. But we're only going 53 miles an hour right now.
Yeah, that's it.
I thought this was really cool too, the Alcantara. And I mean, I'm 99% sure this car's never been modified in any way. So everything's factory, which is cool. It's like they almost from the factory modify it a little bit because they know what people like to do.
So you can actually hear it when actually stepping on the gas. You couldn't hear the engine before.
Yeah, it has better sound inside than it does outside.
Right, it does. I wonder if it's one of those speaker things that they put this.
You think so?
I don't know.
I don't know either. The handling's really nice. The brakes are good. I think the brakes, maybe we can get a little upgrade in that department. I've actually been ordering parts for this that are.
Oh, really?
They're here.
They're here.
They're in the garage. When we get back, I'll show you.
No way.
We're gonna put it in this video. We've never done this before. We usually do like a car reveal video, and then that's usually the end. Everyone gets to drive it because there's, I guess, 2 big things I think this car really needs right away. We're gonna change that. So when we get back to the shop, I'll show you guys the parts. The first order of business is getting this car to sit lower, as we talked about. It's like a monster truck right now. So we've got some ST coilovers. We've got a set of Rotiform KPS wheels. And of course, we have the Falken Azenis RT-660. Have you seen these yet? You have a razor blade on you?
I am so down to help you open this right now. They're like new.
Ready, brand new, ta-da!
Oh, they're black.
They're black.
Yeah. Oh, that's sick.
These look a little familiar.
We ran these in the 35.
R35.
Yeah.
Dude, this is one of my favorite Rotiform.
But they weren't black on black, right?
They were. What I like about this is like satin. Yeah, satin center, and then the pockets are that gloss black, which I think looks really cool. And I think you want to pull one out and kind of hold it up.
Yeah.
The black on black look is just, for me, you can't go wrong. I know you like that too.
Yeah, I do.
And it's gonna look really, really good.
Back in my times when I started with cars, all of my cars were black on black. Like,
Me too.
all of them.
Me too.
I was such a fanatic of it. It's gonna look so sick.
It just looks clean. We'll have to get the windows tinted for sure.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's slam it.
Here we have it, nice new set of ST coilovers. This is the XTA, so they have the adjustable camber plates on top. These are beefy too.
Yeah, they're really thick, really beefy. They're very well prepped too. This thing looks amazing. These are the rear ones, so we should start with the small ones first.
Okay.
First thing we gotta do is open the trunk, grip the whole trunk area till we have access to the top hats, and then after we loosen those two bolts, we'll go to the bottom and then we'll start replacing them.
All right,
Get to
let's
it.
do it.
We have to use the original top hat for the rear ones, and then that's it. Now that the old suspension is out, we already put a new top hat on our new ST coilovers. Evan and I just double checked our measurement from the bottom of the collar to our shock, just to make sure that it really doesn't matter what you measure it, long as the equal distance is the same, right? So we checked both of them, they're both the same. We are getting ready to throw them back in there, and we are gonna keep our lock screws loose, so that when we get it off the car, we can make some like really quick adjustments in the car, and then we'll be able to tighten everything up from there. So let's get them on.
Rears are in, now it's time to move on to the fronts. While Ricky's in the office, I'm going to pop the hood, take off the top nuts on the top, and then hopefully he'll be able to help me pull these front shocks out. The last thing to tighten down, which is the 6 nuts on top. Then we get to test the wheels, which we've all been waiting for. At least I know I've been waiting for that.
So I'm gonna grab the ramps and put them on the bottom and we'll see where it sits at. And if it's drivable, then we'll take it for a quick drive so it can settle, and then we'll adjust from there.
The ST suspension is on. That was actually really easy. Ricky and I knocked that out in what, maybe an hour or so. So if you're new to modding cars, suspension, wheels, and tires, I would say is one of the best first rounds of modifications you can do. It's gonna totally transform the way this car drives. So suspension's on, now it's time to grab the wheels.
It's time to get our Rotiform KPSs mounted up. I've got 2 done already. We're running an RT-660 tire as always, and we're putting the factory TPMS sensors back in this thing so everything works as it should. So let's get them mounted up. We got our wheel and tire package fully assembled with factory TPMS. Time to get these things on the car. Let's go.
Let's see if they fit, Quinn. Let's see if you did your math right, Quinn.
I didn't expect these, brother.
Yes, you did.
Becky spec.
Is that all the way down? Dang, look at that. It can't.
The front's perfect.
The rear's perfect. Look at that.
Let's open the trunk and bounce on it.
I don't think it's all the way down. You think so? Dang, dude. You're sitting on the lift, right?
No, it's not on the lift.
I think a little up. Dang, dude, that was sick. No, that's clear, no?
No, it's touching tire.
Let's go up a little bit over.
It looks sick in the front, dude. What are you talking about? That's sick. That's sick. I mean, you're not driving it like that, but it looks sick.
Dude, that looks money. It looks dope. Looks dope.
That's out of the box? That's how it was straight out in?
Yeah,
Wow.
that's it.
Solid.
I hate the black on black.
The black on black actually looks really
good.
good.
Looks perfect.
Look at that fitment.
I like it a lot.
The car looks sick on the ground, but that's just not feasible. So Ricky fired it up. We went started to do a turning sweep and it was hitting the fender. So we're gonna raise it by ½ an inch all the way around just to make it be in a range that's like 100% we should be safe. We just made our final suspension adjustments. The car was way too low, so we raised it up. Let's get it back on the ground.
We just got the BRZ outside, took it for a little spin around the block, and it's driving perfectly. No rubbing. Car looks amazing. What do you think?
Looks sick, dude. I've always loved the black on black stuff, and doing one right now here, especially this one, looks pretty amazing. I like it.
You got that tire slick on there too. You got.
I know, I think I put a little bit too much shiny on it. But it's literally glossier than the paint itself.
Lowered wheels and tires, it just transformed. This car looks so much more aggressive now.
It does.
It looks so sick.
It drives a lot better too.
Looks good, man. Wheels and tires, dropping it changes like the whole aesthetic. It looks really cool.
We have so much more planned for this car. Remember, get those entries in to win this car plus a check for $20,000. We're doing 2x entries for the next couple days and then it's gone. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and comment down below. Let us know what you think of the car and what should we do to this thing as well. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.